Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming both vessels have compatible ports and enough RCS fuel. Aim to rendezvous in the same orbital plane and similar altitude so you minimize plane change burns. Use a probe core or pilot, enable SAS to stabilize, and bring dockable modules with lights and antennas. Once done, switch to the target, set it as the rendezvous target, and burn to match its ascending or descending node. This makes the first intercept much easier and reduces wasted propellant. You now set an intercept and perform the transfer burn for a close approach under 2 kilometers. Make radial and normal corrections well before closest approach so you conserve translational fuel, then switch to translation mode to refine the approach. Once within a few hundred meters, kill your relative velocity and align SAS to the target port. Make sure your prograde marker matches the target's orientation. This reduces rotation during final approach and keeps both ports facing each other for a clean cap. You perform the final approach using low speed, around 1 to 0, 5 meters per second, and constant small translation inputs to keep the ports centered. Make sure your docking alignment indicator shows good alignment and that both vessels are stable, then let the magnetic latches engage. Once latched, check for a rigid attach and secure the stack. If the ports fail to capture, immediately back off 5 to 10 meters, reorient with RCS. Correct any rotation, and attempt the slow approach again to avoid damage or excessive fuel.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.